Hi, I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today, I'll be testing our fun soap colorants in cold process soap. Here's the recipe I'm using. Once I have prepared my soap batter, I will separate it into 5 bowls. Each bowl will contain 116 grams of soap batter. Then, I'll add various amounts of color to each bowl, using a stick blender to incorporate the color. First, I will be adding 1 drop of Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant. Here are the results. Now, I'm adding 3 drops of Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant. Here are the results. This time, I'm adding 6 drops of Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant. Here are the results. Now, I'm adding 12 drops of Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant. Here are the results. Finally, I'm adding 18 drops of Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant. Here are the results. Nature's Garden's Fun Soap Colorant will bring your soap delight.